Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux Guide. Today I'm going to tell you about the NIC interface and NIC information, that is ethtool on Linux. So let's start with the video. So first of all, what is NIC card? NIC card stands for Network Interface Card, and NIC card have multiple ports. Most of the time port is incorrectly referred as NIC in IT, though it is called NIC interface card or NIC card. And where you connect this cat5 cat6 cable to connect to the internet, that port you will find in the side of your laptop, or in case of desktop it can be find in the back side, which is called NIC port. So let's have a look how it is looking. So I have taken one pic from Google to show you. So this is the diagram of it. So this is how it is looking. This is the port you can find in laptop, and this is the cable cat5 or cat6. This is another pic to show you how it is looking. So that's how we can attach our internet connection cable in laptops, and in case of desktop also you'll find this in backside of the desktop, right? So let's move ahead. Now to find the details about NIC, we need to run this command, which is ethtool and space the interface name. Now how do you find this interface name? Just last video I have shown you how to find it. You should run the command if config, so that you can get the details of your interface name. So we'll first do like who am I, pwd and host name. Now first we need to run the command as if config and more to find out the details of our interfaces, right? So this is our interfaces. You can see enp0s8, enp0s9. Another interface you can find other NICs, which is called elo. What does it mean? It is the loopback device, which is a special interface that your computer uses to communicate with itself. It is used mainly for diagnostics and troubleshooting, and to connect your server to running on the local machine. You can say private connection, like that you can actually interpret. So that is elo. Another one you can find here, which is VRV0. So this is VRV0. What does it stand for? So VRV0 or Virtual Bridge 0 is an interface which is used for NAT, which is Network Address Translation, and the virtual environment sometimes use it to connect to outside network also. So that's how you can communicate with your internet connection with the virtual network interface, right? So that's how we can understand. So mainly we will be focusing on this ENP part, which is our main focus. We are not going to focus in these two. Just for your information, I just described you how it is done and what is it. So as we concentrate over here, if in case of Oracle Virtual Machine, you'll find this ENP, and for other versions of interface, you can find it as ETH012, something like that. All right, and which is actually the regular server instead of this one. So now become root to run the command ethtool. So we are becoming root, and now clear the screen. So first we run the command if config, where we will find the interfaces. So these are interfaces. So with this we can communicate with the internet connection with our personal PC as well as outside the world. So that's how we communicate. So now let's find about this one, BRB0. So how do we find? Which is ethtool, then VIRBR0. So as you can see over here, it is showing like settings for VIRBR0, link detected no. So as it is saying no, so let's forget about it. Moving on to the next one. Link detected saying yes, but nothing much information you can get from the private interface. So it is communicating with the laptop. So let's moving ahead. So let's run if config once more. So we'll be concerning about this one. This is the most important part we need to concern. ENP0S8. So we'll do ethtool ENP0 0S8. Hit enter. Now here what we can see, we have all the details of the setting for this interface, which is supported ports are TP, then supported links modes are this one, all other details, right, up to this. Now my interface supports 10 meg, 100 meg and 1000 meg. Up to this traffic my interface can support, right? Now from here what we can suggest to a network administrator, or what we can give the info, like speed is 1000 meg per second, which is your almost very fast internet connection. Duplex type, which is full. Here also you can find like link detected yes. If it is saying no, that means some problem is there with your network interface card. So why do we need this? As a system admin, we should know this. They're actually having this info to send this to your system admin in case they need the details and they want your device to connect it to their network. So this is how we can find it, and I recommend you should go with the man command, which is man space ethtool, and please try different options over here and try to practice as much as you can. So that's all folks for today. We'll meet with you with another video with another interesting topic of Linux. So thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please do give your comments and it will motivate me more. So thank you so much. We'll meet with you with another video. Stay tuned.